How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the problem, and if you are not being able to have the Wi-Fi network, and if it's not showing up, then you are not connected to any network, because when you try to connect your internet on your laptop, this error might be related to the Wi-Fi problem and the network connection. So incorrect Wi-Fi configuration of your Wi-Fi router and your computer or the Wi-Fi network driver issue might be the problem. The first method is the auto configuration service. The auto configuration service must be enabled. If this has been disabled, then this might be what's causing the problem. So go to the start menu, and then you can type in services and open it up. And here you need to click on run as administrator. Under the services window, you need to find WLAN auto configuration service. So search for that and right click on that and go for properties, and then go for the startup type and choose automatic, and then click on apply and then hit OK. And now you can check if this fixed the Wi-Fi issue. But if this still doesn't fix your issue, then you can update the Wi-Fi driver. You can remove this. So in some cases, you are unable to see the Wi-Fi option in Windows setting because your Wi-Fi drivers are in such a scenario that you should try updating the driver automatically. Here's how you can do it. You can right click on the start button, and then you can select device manager. Here choose for device manager, and here you will have your device manager, right? So you can expand the network adapters list, locate your wireless card and right click on it, and then go for update driver. And here click browse on my computer for driver software, and you can simply select anything that you have here. But if you don't have that, then you can simply go for next, which is on the bottom, and then you can simply close that. And now your Wi-Fi problem might be fixed. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the third method is to reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. So this problem can be caused by a corrupted Wi-Fi driver. To check if this is the case, then you will have to update the Wi-Fi driver on your computer. In such an event, you will have to reinstall your Wi-Fi driver by downloading the driver from your manufacturer's website. Here you can again open up your device manager and expand the network adapters and locate your wireless driver, right click on it, and then click on uninstall device. And once you click on uninstall device, you can select the hardware, and once you uninstall the device, now you can remove that. And then the fourth method is to tweak power management. If Wi-Fi option in Windows settings disappears out of the blue, this can be due to your car driver's power settings. Therefore, to get the Wi-Fi option back, you will have to edit the power management settings. Here's how you can open up that. You can open up your device manager again and expand the network adapters list and double click on your wireless card and then switch to power management tab. Here you will have power management. Click on that and uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck that and then click on OK. And once you've done that, the fifth method is to system configuration. So to do that, you need to simply go for the apps and search for system configuration and go for run as administrator. And here go for the services and tap on enable all, and then click apply. And once you click on apply, you can click on OK. And once you've done all of these, you need to restart your device. And once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.